If you want to set iPhone ringtone on your Samsung A07, like this one, all you have to do is just to go into the Google Play Store and get Zedge Wallpapers and Ringtones application. It's free, you don't have to pay for this. So once you actually download this, you will have to open that application. First of all, you have to accept all of those pop-up permissions, and if you have some kind of the ads, you have to just click on the X in the right or left upper corner to close this. Now go for ringtones, and over here you have to go for the search. So we are looking for iPhone ringtone, so we have to input iPhone phrase, go for the search, go for ringtone, just find it. Let's play it. Let's check if it sounds like that. I have the volume up. There we go. Yeah, this is the sound that we are looking for. So we have to click on this icon and now tap to set as ringtone. So click here. Now click to grant permission. Then we can go back from this one. And now, as you can see, it looks like the ringtone has changed. So let's see if it works. We have to go for the settings. Yeah, as you can see, the ringtone is set as iPhone sound. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching this video.